Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with spaced repetition. This powerful learning technique helps you remember information more effectively by strategically scheduling your review sessions. Instead of cramming, you revisit material just as you're about to forget it, reinforcing your memory. We will explore how this method works, its significant benefits, and practical ways you can integrate it into your study routine for lasting knowledge retention. Spaced repetition works by presenting information for review at optimal intervals. When you learn something new, you review it quickly, perhaps within 10 minutes. If you recall it easily, the next review might be in 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. If you struggle, the interval shortens. This adaptive scheduling ensures you spend your study time most efficiently, focusing on what you need to learn. The benefits of spaced repetition are truly remarkable for any learner. By consistently reviewing material at increasing intervals, you build robust long-term memories, making information stick for months or even years. This approach also makes your study time more efficient, as you avoid overstudying what you already know well. It reduces stress from cramming and fosters a deeper, more integrated understanding of your subjects. Implementing spaced repetition is straightforward. You can use simple physical flashcards, sorting them into known and unknown piles, or leverage powerful digital tools like Anki. Create clear atomic flashcards with one question and one answer. Dedicate a consistent 10 to 15 minutes each day to review your cards. Be honest about your recall. If you struggle, the system will show you that card sooner, ensuring effective learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.